today we're going to make one of the finalist cake designs.
Super excited.
We've already baked 2 of the sponges. Here's one of them.
And finish off the rest of the cake, which we're really excited to show you.
So let's go!
It's like a rainbow inside.
Yeah. Then can we touch
Okay.
Then
you
can
have
we
to.
taste the flour?
Right. You can take one little ball from each one. That's it. Take one, and then I want you to tell the camera what you think of the cake.
I can before. I didn't know it was actually this type of cake, so I'm not really sure if I because. Really, the rainbow cakes I don't really like them.
Fair enough. That's
so
interesting.
I'm not sure.
Yeah, not sure. That's all right. What do you think, Wilf?
Yummy.
Yummy. Look at this. What do you think?
So
we've got what colour is it? Pink. I'll give you a tiny bit of the horn. Oh. Right, here we go. There's a bit of the horn each.
It has icing most over it, so yeah, I actually like it.
Yeah, okay, okay, he's pretty keen.
I can have
So, is this cake your favourite or this cake your favourite?
Mine is that one.
Yours is that one? Okay, Bertie, what about you?
Oh man.
Which is your favourite?
The rainbow.
Oh, wow, okay.
Like, what do you prefer the look of out of the two?
Yeah, I know what you
Don't
mean.
touch it, don't touch it. I'll give you another
I
one in
know,
a minute.
I know what you mean, and I mean the rainbow.
Oh,
Yeah, I mean the rainbow too. I mean the rainbow.
You can have one more bit. everyone who joined in with this cake competition. Well done to Sienna, who drew this amazing design, and we were able to make it into this magical cake. Well done!
Whoa!
Wasn't that a fun challenge, Ruth?
Yeah, Ella, it was amazing!
I cannot wait till the next one.
Not me!
Right, I thought because we made cookies last time, we'd do something else that we can also eat.
Yay!
So for this, you will need some really white bread.
White bread!
Let's just get a few slices out of this. What do you usually put on toast, Ruth?
Butter!
Butter? Do you like butter on
Yeah.
toast? Nice. I like jam on toast.
Ooh!
Okay, and then we have got a few little tubs of water, and we're just going to put some food colouring in each one. Okay, so we have now got our colours, Ruth. So we have pink, and we have green, and we've got yellow, and we've got blue. But you could use whatever colours you've got.
That's
And then
really cool, Ella!
what we're going to do is we're going to use it and paint onto our bread. Now you don't want to put too much water on there because otherwise we'll get soggy bread.
Oh no! Yeah!
No, not keen on soggy bread, are we? So there we go. Yummy, yummy.
Yum!
Do you want some bread?
Yes, please!
Oh, okay.
Yummy!
It is really yummy. Enjoy. Tim, come and try some of this. Look at this. We've just put it in the toaster, or you could put it in the grill. I'm just going to put
Whoa! That
some
looks
butter
good.
on. And I like jam, so I'm going to put some jam on
Did
mine.
you already eat some of this one, Ella?
No,
It's.
I didn't do it.
Ah, maybe Ruth felt a bit peckish.
Yum. She's eaten most of yours.
Yeah, she seems to, doesn't she?
Do you want to try some of this one with the jam on? Uh-oh. Yum. This is so cool. Please look out for our next competition and join in, and we'll see you very soon. Bye!